This brand is made in Canada by Innovair Solutions, and the heat pumps are only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The units use slotted stamped panel construction, which does not do much to protect the condenser coil from hail damage and debris from lawnmowers. The GT4 models have a 20 SEER cooling efficiency with a 9.4 HSPF heating efficiency, and they use durable and efficient inverter compressors. The units use environmentally friendly R454B refrigerant and have built-in leak sensing to protect the unit. The units are pretty loud when operating on high speed, as they have a 76 decibel noise rating. The guarantee on the compressor, which is the heart of any heat pump, is not very good when compared to other brands that are available. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Basic and Premium categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.